via Mona with my girl
Snack!
Welcome to Monashnackrsa, and that's what's up. So guys, today we're going on a girl date. Dates. We were going on a date, guys, and we're just going to have fun. We're gonna take you guys along with us. Exactly.
Food.
That's why we're going there. That's
the main reason. The fuck.
Sibahle surprise. Sibahle. Hey Nina. Hey, we are saved. YouTube, Instagram, everything. And guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Tell your mother, your father, everybody.
Your crush, your boyfriend, please.
If my previous ones are watching this video, I am sorry. Look at me now. Look at where I am. Look at me. But anyway, I'm a toxidit. So I found that. Anyway, guys, we're gonna take you guys along. It's just gonna be a little vlog. We hope you guys like the video. Yeah, please follow our social platforms via _Mona. We'll drop that in the description box. And we have a.whole.snack with 4 Ks, guys. We'll do that in the description box so that you just know who we really are. And yeah, guys. Yeah.
So yeah, guys.
We will show you the pictures.
I wanna eat.
Bye, guys. So guys, I'm with Jagas. We have arrived in our destination. At our destination. We're vlogging for you guys before we go do the things that need to be done. We are hot. Like a heatoh. Like a bomb. Anyway, guys, yeah. Later, we just want to take pictures. We are just gonna take pictures so that we can also upload it
on the gram
for you guys. So that you can see what's is going, because I don't think we showed you guys our whole outfit. Isn't Hey, Bafet, asazi ukuthi sidle kuphi. Jalas.
Hi guys,
we don't know where to eat. Hey, we even left Greenstone to the mall opposite it because we also want to see what's up, because we don't know where to eat, guys. But it's fine. We will settle down, but at least we have an option. Hi guys, welcome back to Monashnackrsa. Yeah, it's your girl VI Mona. I'm with my girl. No, I'm not too much. Guys, we made a mistake lah. Guys, like literally we forgot to make the outro. Besides that, the phone switched off while we were vlogging, so that's also why we didn't. But I will tell you how it went while we were there in the restaurant. we went to go and eat at Spur, right? Because guys, we didn't know where to eat, and we ate at Spur in Greenstone. Because I remember telling you that we went to the mall opposite to go and check out what was there, what restaurants were there. We didn't find anything, so we went back to Greenstone because guys, there was nowhere to eat. We were not there for breakfast. We wanted a heavy meal. So we went to Spur. We ordered something called Apache. Yay! Apache. Oh my god! Wow! Look, cocktail, guys. Cocktail. Yeah, cranberry. Grilla non-virgin. Nah. At that waitress, I said non-virgin. I'd say why it came with this other taste. Maraneli munati. The parents, they're watching. Amara, we didn't know. We were tipsy. I said non-virgin to that waitress. We were tipsy, guys. Kirchagalas, you know, when Kia sneezes, she goes,
It's loud. Yeah.
She sneezed like that in the restaurant. Hey, Nina and Angela, the people sitting opposite us were like, hi, bo, hey. It's like, sorry. I felt like going under the table at that time because, Jagalas. Hey. Okay, sharp. I fed it. The Apache came. It was like a pork, some ribs, with fries, onion rings. Yeah, yo guys, it made us really full because wow, the food was really nice. We really enjoyed our time at Spur. And yeah, man, just vlogging. We went to different stores. Guys, we wanted to buy donuts at Krispy Kreme.
Yeah, and we ate. It was nice. It was nice, Shem, yo. Go buy it, Shem. It's worth it. Hi.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed this little story time that I just gave you, just details as to what really happened on the day and things like that. Yeah, we just little guys. As for going back home, we called the Bolt. It was getting dark. You know, it's winter, so the day is short. Yeah, it was getting dark. Hey, we called the Bolt, guys. It says 15 minutes. 15 minutes became an hour. We calling in to tell the parents that yeah, we're coming. We called, guys. We were cold. We looked homeless. The mall was becoming empty. Then Udilari, our driver, came. We had to request again, and he came like 9. He took long, but we went, guys. Hey, we were homeless. We didn't know what to do. For no, it was about data. We don't have data. We had to buy data again. Wow, guys, it was chai. Yes, it was chai. But yeah, we made it home safe. We enjoyed. When we got home, they bought us more takeaways. Lucky us. But anyway, please subscribe to our channel. Please like, comment, and share. Please follow our social platforms. I will drop them in the description box. VI_Mona and at a whole .snack with 4 Ks. Hey guys, description box is there for a reason. Okay. Please follow us, and we do have a new platform on Instagram for ourselves, our page, Monashnackrsa. Please follow that also. Please go and see the madness that we do there. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm out.